Hello everybody. Today our lesson is reading comprehension. Okay. We will see the passage Mammoth long ago and today. That is in your book page 164. So before we start, let's see the objectives of this lesson. So the first objective is to read and answer the question, the reading comprehension questions. That's number 1. Okay. Number 2, we will identify the main idea of the text. What does that mean? Well, of course, when we answer the reading comprehension, we understand the passage, we must figure out the main idea. It means what this text is about. Okay, that's what we call the main idea. Okay, so let's continue. So look at the words here. So do you remember these words that you have in the lesson of vocabulary? You have fossils, remains, fears, evidence, and buried. Okay, so let's start with the first word, which is fossils. We said fossils, if you remember, they are bones, animal skeletons, shells which were preserved in rocks since a long time. The second word, fierce. What do we mean by fierce? So fierce, we said, is something that is aggressive or violent. Okay. Remains. So remains, we said, things or pieces which are left from something that existed before. The fourth word is evidence. So an evidence is a reason or reasons that show you or tell you that something is true or not true. And the last word is buried. So buried comes from the verb to bury. So to bury means you put a dead body in the grave, or you bury something means you put it in the soil, in the ground. Okay. Yes, so these words, you have them in your reading comprehension passage. Of course, they will help you understand the text. Okay, so before you start reading the text, let's see this again. I put here some pictures from the text, the title of the text, pictures. So these pictures will help you to guess what the text is about. So have a look at each picture, read the titles that you have here. So you have this one, you have this one, and of course the biggest one. Okay, so try to read them, try to look at the pictures, and try to guess what the text will be about. Okay, so when you do this, you will move to reading your story. How will you do that? So before working on your book, you have this link here. Okay, this link, it's already in your school portal. You click on the link. Okay, it will give you this page. So it's your book. What you should do, you will come here. Okay, and you will type the number 164. That's the number or the page number of your story. Okay, then it will give you this page. So what you're going to do, you come here, you click on this, it will start reading by itself. You will listen to the reading. After that, you repeat. Okay, so you can do this work more than one time to practice reading the right pronunciation of each word. So when you finish the first page, you come here, you click here, okay, to turn the page till the last page of your text or your story. You can do this work more than one time. You can read your story more than one time so that you understand it well, okay? When you finish this, you will start your first activity. What will you do? Of course, as I said, when you read your text well, you will answer the reading comprehension questions. When you finish answering them, this will help you to do your second activity. So what is your second activity? Actually, your second activity is writing down, you have write down the main idea of the text or your story. Okay, what does it mean? The main idea, what do we mean by that? Okay, the main idea means what the text is about in general, the most important idea in your text. This is number one. After that, you will write down the supporting details. This means more information about your main idea that support it, explain it, give more information about it. Is that clear? So is clear what you should do? That's very good. So good luck and enjoy reading your story.